going to be about the PCBs provided to us by PCB Power Market to Society of Robotics and Automation VJTI. Here is a comparison between the PCB provided by a local vendor and the one provided by PCB Power Market. The first obvious thing which we can notice here is the difference in material. The quality of the PCB provided by the PCB Power Market is apparently superior to the other PCB which we were using. The traces and wires are also of very good quality. On desoldering and changing the components multiple times, the traces and wires were still in very good health and intact. The SMD pads and wires were accurately placed as per the Gerber files provided by us. We have tested all the copper connections and every PCB. It had absolutely no flaws in them. The traces would withstand the current of all ratings estimated by us while designing the PCB. Also, the PCB were pre-assembled with SMD components and were provided to us at minimal costs. If you wish to power your PCB for the best use case, get PCB Power Market.